Today I am reviewing this really nice hanging pendant light. Look at the inside of that. It has this cool copper hammer copper look, and the outside has this little toned down look, but that'll give the bulb pretty cool depth. You should make some nice lights off of that. Has this like very soft, subtle cover plate up at the top, easy to install, nice long wire, and has a screw on here so you can adjust the length. You can see the wire in there. Just push it, you just unscrew this little screw with a small Phillips head, adjust it up. You can see everything is color matched and really high quality. Nice wood base right here. You just put it in here, has a plug right here. And just go ahead and screw this down. And you have a nice hanging pendant light. It looks like this. Super cool. Let's go get it installed and then we'll see how it looks. So you want to make sure all of your power is off. Identify the live wire and the neutral. You can use a tester to do that. Usually white equals neutral and black is live. And you get your bracket right here. These have an adjustment to make sure they are still reaching and they're not going to go up. So just put this over here, or you can thread the wires through this middle right here. Sometimes that works out a little bit. Get the supplied screws. I want to put those in. Drill. Always consult an electrician if you are not comfortable doing this yourself. These do not need to be heavily tightened. And you can see there's also a spot for a ground if you do not have a ground. Hold the wire up so gives it something to grab. And get your neutral. Twist that up. Now's a good time to grab a bulb and test the light. If you want, push the wire all up and out of the way. So you have everything, you just find the holes, center it all, push the cover plate up, grab the supplied nuts, try to remember which pocket you put them in. These are just thumb screws, and just thread them on. Put in a bulb of your choice and you are done. All right, so here is how it looks. You can see it hangs nice and low. This would be great for over countertops. It had a lot more wire than this, and I put this, this would be great for high ceilings, over countertops, etc. This is a great pendant light. You probably want to grab a couple of them. Put like 3 in a row would look really good. Just look at the quality of this. Just looks really cool. Let's go ahead and turn on that light. You can see just how everything reflects off of that finish from the inside, which I really like. And I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.